What do you think we're gonna do?
We're gonna make some cups or some pots. Something, but it's gonna be fine.
We're gonna make something. So here's everything that the kit includes. So they literally give you absolutely everything, which is super duper cool. Welcome back to my channel. So the couple clips that you saw prior were from our date night last night, which was Friday. So I decided this vlog I would take you guys along a typical weekend for Xavier and I. And yeah, so right now today's a really exciting day. His aunt and cousins, right?
Yeah.
So they actually just opened a daiquiri shop here in Texas. And we are going to their grand opening, and they're going to say a prayer, cut the ribbon, and we're lit. It's the grand opening. The daiquiri shop is called Daiquiriville, right?
Yeah.
And it is located in DeSoto, Texas. So come check us out. The daiquiris are amazing. They've got really, really good food, street tacos, hot dogs, all that good stuff. So yeah, right now we're on the way to the grand opening. And the clips from yesterday, we actually have a subscription box from the Adventure Challenge, and it's so cool. You get like a date box every month, and it includes absolutely everything, as you could tell in the last few clips. So if you and your significant other are looking for a fun monthly subscription together, then I highly recommend the Adventure Challenge. Did you like the date from last night?
Yeah, 10 out of 10 recommended.
10 out of 10. I mean, our pot, it didn't come out that great, but it was fun to do it. And it's kind of like a two-part date because it had to dry overnight. So we kind of get like a round two because we get to paint it. And I think that'll be fun too. Get a glass of wine, paint our pot or whatever, bowl. In my head, I was going for like a guacamole bowl, but yeah. Anyway, so we will check you guys at the grand opening. Yeah, right. I got one good TikTok. Woo! Finally open. Jalen, how do you feel?
Yeah, I feel great, man.
It's lit. It's lit. Okay guys, we have officially left the grand opening, and we're trying to figure out, we were gonna go to this one place, but then I looked at it and it doesn't look like a vibe, you know what I'm saying? So we pulled over at Quick Trip to stop and figure out where we're gonna have lunch and stuff at. And I was tired, so I got a Celsius, and let me tell you guys, I think I have figured out the hack, okay? So you guys know these like little bottles of wine or whatever, they come in like a pack of 4 typically, and they're usually like $7.99, $6.99, $8.99, something like that. Tell me why a couple weeks ago I just wanted one. So I pulled it out of like the paper 4-pack and had them ring it up. They ring up for $1. And I called my mom. I was like, oh my gosh, like I feel like I just found a hack or whatever. And she's like, nah, it's probably a fluke. So I've been doing it, but I always used to go to the same gas station and just pull them out and get these for $1. And I'm at a new Quick Trip and I did it and it worked. So I feel like I'm sharing the hack with you guys. If you pull them out of the 4-pack, you can get them for $1. Like if you just want like 1 or 2, which is what I typically do. Like if I'm like randomly going somewhere, and I just want like 1 or 2 and I don't want like a full pack, you know what I'm saying? Anyway, yeah. Okay, so right now we are on our way. Did you figure out where we're going?
Not yet. I'm gonna ask you and see what you think of it. But
what is it?
It's called Skinny Fats. Have you heard of that?
I have. Skinny Fats, and it's in Deep Ellum, right?
No, this is in Uptown.
Oh.
It's not far from Deep Ellum.
Okay. Well, we're going to Skinny Fats, so yeah. Just kidding, I don't. It's really bad. But we are now at the mall. What mall are we at?
We're at the strip mall called, I don't know. It's right across the street from North Park though.
Oh, so. Okay. We are at the mall right now, and we are both looking for like cute fallish, winterish clothes because we're actually going to New York for Halloween weekend. And we need some cute shit. And I don't know, I feel like New York is like a different type of cold. Like I've only been there a few times, and it's always been during like the winter. I haven't gone during fall, but it's always been during the winter time. And it's like a different type of cold, especially if you're from the South. It's different. And we gotta be cute, right?
Gotta be. You gotta be cute. I gotta look handsome. Right?
Oh yeah, you handsome. But so yeah, we're at the mall, and this is actually like well overdue for me. Like I've been needing like fall clothes and winter clothes since like last fall and winter, but it worked out because of the pandemic and we were barely leaving the house. But now that, you know, we be in the streets a little bit more, like I need some new stuff. So hopefully I find a lot of cute stuff. Usually I feel like when you're not looking for stuff, or when you shouldn't be buying stuff, you see everything cute, and then when you need to like find something, you can't find anything. So I'm hoping that today is the day that all the stars align and we find a bunch of awesome stuff. So we'll keep you updated on our finds. We didn't find anything. Well, I found a couple things, but they don't have my size. So I'm gonna place an online order for the places that I went to that I like stuff from, and then I guess we'll go from there. You tired, honey?
Yeah, I'm ready to get to the house.
We have been out.
Day.
Yeah, we've been out all day, so we're a little tired now. The sun is setting early. That means winter's coming. He likes the fall, I do not, so. Where? Oh, let me see. I don't know how to flip my camera around on the phone. Oh, it's a big boy crew. All right, guys, I am officially home. Little crew. Say hi, baby. Okay, no, never mind. Anyway, I am home. I thought I was gonna go try and like wash my face and go to the gym tonight, but I'm just like I'm really not like a nighttime worker outer, so it's not gonna happen. I'm gonna go ahead and take like a bubble bath in the night, and I'll definitely go to the gym tomorrow. Orange Theory is definitely happening tomorrow, because if you stay fine, you don't have to get fine, you feel me? So anyway, that is a wrap. That's basically our Saturday. We're just gonna chill out for the rest of the night, so see you tomorrow. Okay, so today has been a super chill Sunday. As you can see, I just had an adult, well, I call them adult Lunchables. I just had an adult Lunchable for dinner, and basically everybody just chilled and watched football all day. They grilled. Super chill Sunday. I'm actually really tired. I need to go do my skincare routine, and I should be doing some productive things that would help my week to be easier. But anybody who knows me knows that I go to sleep very early. And if I have things to do and they don't get done during the day or the morning, they're typically not going to get done until the next morning or day. because I usually shut down pretty early. I'm not gonna lie. I'm definitely not like a nighttime person. So I think that I'm gonna go do skincare and call it a night. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me on a typical weekend. Well, I can't say typical. Every weekend's different, but coming along with me on this weekend. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.